What's up, it's your girl Amelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. And in today's video, I'm super excited to share with you these Jumbo Knotless box braids. I'm finally getting around to trying the knotless trend, like DIY and like not get it done myself. And I discovered this new hack that I wanted to share with you guys. I did not create the hack, but I've been seeing it going around and I had to try it for myself to really see, you know, is it easy? Is it hard? The trials, the tribulations, and of course share that journey with you. So here we go. Here's my little tutorial on these knotless jumbo braids. I hope you guys enjoy. So this hack is basically just crochet. So we're gonna crochet these braids into our hair to make it kind of look knotless. And I think this is really great for beginners like myself who don't really know how to feed in hair. I will say I did try one of these braids just the regular knotless way, not crochet, and I was getting the hang of it. I can see over time maybe perfecting it, but we don't have time. We need to get this done today.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
I would just like to state before we go any further that, can you even see it? This red mark on my nose. It happened at the gym. Like, that's a whole story time. Let me know down below if you want to know what happened. I'll leave a little pinned comment or something. Let's continue. Off on wash, blow dried hair. You'll see me blow drying my hair out. It's been a while since I did that, but I will tell you with this shortcut, it is way quicker to blow dry your hair. Okay.
Around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm running for the kitty, got my folk goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. Feel what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now.
Blow dried my hair and then I decided to separate it and part it, put it in rubber bands, each and every little square. I did that primarily off camera because I hate doing that part. I hate parting, and then if the parts don't lay right, it bothers me, and I still don't think the parts laid right, but you know, we're not gonna spend all day parting our hair. So then essentially what you want to do is take your crochet needle, put it underneath your rubber band section going up and down, or you can start from side to side. So put your crochet hook underneath the rubber band, and then you're going to grab the braiding hair and pull it through. You want to do that for it going up and down, and you want to do that for it going side to side. One long strand going up and down and one long strand going side to side, which will all together in the end give you 3 pieces. You want the part that's going up and down to fold over your real hair, and you want the ones going side to side to just stay side to side. Then you're just gonna start braiding.
I'm stepping up out of this shit.
Anaya.
I'm stepping up out of this shit.
Anaya.
So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Oh, my baby's my baby girl. Yes, no.
really get to life. Telling me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in the night to make me get it amplified. But I grip for run the ship, me nah go slip, me nah go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. For give it the toughest, longest time for ride. Girl,
baby boy, you stay on my mind.
come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. See you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Picture us dancing real close in a dark, dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me. In our own little world, the music is the sun, the dance floor becomes the sea. Feels like true paradise to me. Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. I think about you all the time.
Hi guys. So I got some beads to go on my hair, and I've never beaded my hair, at least not since I've been a child. So we're gonna test this out. So I got 3 packs. I got just a general yellow wood bead. Actually, yeah, are these? I don't know if these are real wood. These might be plastic, but look like wood. So this has like some silver detailing. Then I got these. These might be plastic too. But these are just some black hair beads with white detailing. And then I got these white beads with gold detailing. So these are just the ones that caught my eye. My hair supply store had a ton, but these are the ones I liked the bestest. Got this beater, which I actually don't know how much this was. $1. Better be $1. So I'm just gonna try to follow the instructions on this, and I put my hair in a bun, and I went to the gym, so I don't know how it's looking, but I will say it was super easy to put into a bun since they're knotless. I'm just gonna put this brown bead, then the white bead, and then another brown bead. Let's see how that looks. Okay, here we go. And then it says to feed it through like this. So here we go, through 1 inch. Okay. Oh snap, did you guys see that? So I'm feeding it through just a little bit of my hair. If you guys know how to do this, I apologize. This is for us that do not know. And I'm gonna push the bead. Oh, that's cool. All right, so here's what we got. So I do know to tie it off, I need a rubber band situation. I do know that much. So I'm gonna grab some of these rubber bands. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. And I'm gonna take the last bead and kind of wrap my hair around it and then tie it off that way. I think that's how you should do it. Ooh, what if that's not how you do it, y'all? I don't know. Is that how you do it? No, now it looks wanky. I don't like that. How do you tie it off? Okay, so I eventually just did what I just said and just tried to do it neater, and this is what we have so far. So here's what it looks like. I definitely feel like I need more, or I need to like, how does this look with the rest of my hair? Okay, so see, I knew that would probably happen. Like the one with the beads gonna look longer, which means I should probably shorten it because they're all wavy. All right, it's okay. Let's try this again. We're gonna cut the hair a little bit. Is that better? Oh, now this one looks wanky. All right, let's see. Okay, I like it lengthwise. It's not too long and obnoxious. All right, I'm gonna keep experimenting. I guess we'll just see what happens at the end of this. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's just a super fun, quick look. It was a little tricky. It was a little hard. I definitely don't have all the same size braids and shapes and everything, unfortunately. But you know, we're gonna get better. We're gonna practice. I'm curious how long they're gonna last. Of course, with knotless braids, I feel like your scalp, like your real hair, is like really exposed, and I don't know how I feel about that necessarily. But we gonna see, right? It's gonna be all right. Let me know down below if you guys want a styling video or an upkeep video. I'm definitely gonna keep these in for at least 2 weeks. I don't know. I really don't, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this hack helped you or if you have any tips for me, please leave them down in the comments below. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.